Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Thomas here, and as you can see here, I have hit a banger. So let me show you how I did it. So yesterday there was a launch called Gaza, and as you can see I have made over 24 Solana and the overall PNL was around 500%. I have invested 5 Sol and I have cashed out already 20, and I'm still holding 6 Solanas. And as you can see here on Axiom, Gaza went from the initial market cap of around 5k to around to 5 million market cap, and not many people knew what's going on, but Gaza really made a huge volume, and within the 24 hours it generated 8.2 million in volume. And why is it important? Because there is a new narrative in the Solana ecosystem and it's called bags, and you can launch tokens on bags and dedicated 1% of the trading fees to a specific Twitter account. So Richard Strocher, he has managed to launch this coin and dedicated 100% of the royalties, which is 1% out of 8.2 million, and it goes to the Gaza official foundation. So they can now claim almost 80k, and it's pretty much the best way how to use crypto these days, because the trading fee is going for a good cause and it can help children in Gaza to get something to eat. And as you can see here, I was pretty early. I bought at around 500k market cap, and it all happened thanks to Coinsense Discord. So let me introduce it. If you are following my previous videos, you would already know about Coinsense Discord. So what Coinsense does is they follow smart wallets and influencers' addresses, and whenever there is any activity, you get a notification. And as you can see here on the right side, at yesterday at 20:33, there was a notification about Feed Gaza, the ticker Gaza. So I just opened it up and I was curious what's that about. It got notified at 356k market cap, and whenever I did my initial research, I knew this is a gem, and I even called it within the group at 2043. So people here in the premium discussion, no sorry, it was in micro memes, knew about it. So there is this section within Discord of Coinsense where people can talk and share what they found on chain, and I just shared my point of view on Gaza, and it pretty much banked a lot of people a lot of money. I won't be showing the premium updates and the tracker of the smart money wallets and calls wallets, so it doesn't get leaked. But if you are a premium Coinsense user, you get alpha just like this, when you can type a command here and you will get an answer about most accumulated tokens by smart money wallets in the last 4 hours, or this one, most accumulated tokens by smart money wallets in the last day, and so on. So you get so much alpha in here. You will get the notice of what the smart money wallets and KOLs are buying, what market cap is it currently, what's their average entry, and much more. But as you can see, you have a lot of information to be found here, and even if you are not willing to spend for the premium version, you can even use the sex data for sex alerts, and you can find notification if the major larger caps were shorted or longed, just to get like overview on the market, what smart money wallets do, if you can just buy or sell rather. And here also the vault, which is like automated wallet that trades based on these smart wallet decisions. So you can just simply follow these free channels, and even then you can use some of the features for free. And if you get familiar with the Discord and you think you would use this as an advantage for your trading skills, you can get the premium version. Just simply ask within the free token discussion section and ask the admins for the premium access. And you can find the invite link to the Coinsense Discord in the description under this video. Yeah, so that was about Coinsense, and now let's move to the trenches and let's make some money. So lately I have started to trade the final stretch section, which was really profitable for me. I've been losing a lot of money on the new pairs since it's pure gamble, and like less than 1% of these newly created tokens goes to the final stretch or even migrated. So I've been looking for coins in the final stretch which already had some volume. They have a community behind, or at least the developer is trying to build the community. So I'm looking for something that has over 100 holders, market cap with between 15,000 to 50k, and I would try to show you how I do it now. There was this coin toothpaste, which I was trading earlier this morning, and as you can see, I have bought multiple times here. I have lost 0.6 sol since there was a huge dump later on, but after let's say like 1 hour down below within this range, it got migrated eventually. So I believe this strategy is working, and let me find a gem that will prove it. This kind of trading doesn't include like fast movement trades. It's just like playing the waiting game and really just looking into the communities on Twitter, if they are active, how many members they have, what's the market cap, and how many tokens the developer created. If he creates this many tokens every second, every minute, it doesn't look good, so he's not dedicated to run the community to get migrated. So I would not be buying memories, but I'll be looking somewhere else. So here we have a genuine token. Unfortunately, the tweet didn't load up, but I was able to scan the CA on Twitter, and there is a lot of people talking about it. It's mostly bots, but it can get some traction. It's 31k market cap now. It's been live for 54 minutes already. The developer has created a troll house coin 4 days ago, and it's still at 600k market cap, which is not too shabby. 14% bundles. Let me check the bubble maps on this one. Okay, bubble max looks alright. There is 1.6% cluster. Yeah, it's not bad, not bad. I may give it a shot. Let's see, is it still somewhere on the top? Yeah, so people can see it. The top 20 holders holds 20%. It just dipped. So let me try to get in now. Ideally, I would be looking for a 2xer, so within my entry at 24k market cap, I would be looking to 48k to take my initials out, or maybe even earlier. I have bought 1 sol, so if I make 50% gains, I can take the initials out and let it run with 0.5 sol. In the meanwhile, I can set a limit sell orders just to the 40k-ish, 44k market cap, and sell, let's say 75%. Okay, let's lower it down a bit so I take my initials out. And some profit right here. Good. And now I can keep on searching on the pulse section once again. Here we have something crazy. Is it really their token? Can we somehow verify the CA? Okay, 37 minutes old, 181 holders. I don't want to buy it here at the top. I want to see it reverse back to 30k. It's not much. Let me buy in just a bit. So we are in 0.3 sol. Okay, genuine is pumping in the meanwhile. We are up 27% now. Okay, it's going up. We are also up 30%. Okay guys, so as you can see, we are still waiting, but I have already made 43% on this slow cook. So if you want to kind of scalp it and don't wait to the migration cap, you can take profits right here. This is a great example of how you can trade these coins. Okay guys, this session is the weirdest session I have ever had while trenching, but if you feel like I'm boring, yeah, this strategy is kind of boring, but it can be profitable if you are doing the right decisions. As you can see here with Bolo, I have bought at 17k market cap and it went as high as like almost 2.5xer. See you next time guys. Peace out.